Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S61 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down again to localize the build number, because in order to activate the developer options we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Of course, enter the screen lock if you've got currently someone, and we had this information that we are in the developer mode, so we can go back and now we have to find it. Probably it will be in the system, so right above the About Phone, and as you can see it is right here, so let's tap on it. And right here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the window animation scale, we can show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall, because we've got the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi options. So all you have to do in order to turn on and off the feature is to basically tap on the switcher. It works just like in the regular settings. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, simply tap on this switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen, and as you can see most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings the developer options will disappear. But of course no worries, you can customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.